Hey guys, so we got back.
America runs on Dunkin'.
We got back from Dunkin' Donuts. I have hot chocolate. Well, Emily is being an idiot and decides to get something. Okay, I've never tried this before.
It's like frozen orange juice.
Ew. And I've got my amazing hot chocolate, which is way too hot to drink, so I'm gonna leave it open. And yeah, let me strip. Ugh.
Strip for the camera, Shannon.
Strip. No, I have like 5 layers on, and I'm still cold. My cape of a jacket. Yeah.
I really don't think people will be that concerned.
You never. I forgot that I got bacon. Bacon, you guys.
You know, that does not look like the picture. Nor does this.
Bacon.
Like, these don't look like the pictures at all.
It's unattractive bacon, but it's still bacon. I know.
Are you sure it's bacon? It could be that soy crap.
I hate you.
I'm just saying.
I'm just hungry, okay? I don't care if it's soy or not. It doesn't taste real. What is that?
What?
This. I have no idea what this is.
Ew.
Great.
Shannon doesn't know what she's eating, but it's good.
Delicious. 4 years later into life, Shannon gets stomach cancer from eating Dunkin' Donuts. She's a loser. Loser. Because she's never watched Mean Girls.
SpongeBob loser call. Loser. Loser.
What episode is that from? The
King Jellyfish.
Oh, and then the Jelly Hut, the Something Hut Jr., the Weenie Hut Jr. That would be my perfect date, because there's no such thing. And my dates are non-existent.
And we'd eat Krabby Patties.
I don't even know what's in that.
Probably the same thing that's in that sandwich.
It's probably dog food for all we know. A shout out to my boyfriend who's in the hospital with a severe case of non-existence. I use it all the time. And will always be single. Because I act like a man. I seriously do, though.
Me too.
You can't be like, I'm not like, oh, so perfect. I'm like, bleh, so cool. Sports are awesome. I'm not a girly girl. I'm not like, oh, hey, perfect.
You're not a Barbie girl in the Barbie world. Because you're not made of plastic. It's not fantastic.
Being plastic is not fantastic. I don't know what girls think.
Nicki Minaj.
No, I don't know. Seriously, I don't know what goes through girls' heads when I think a guy will like me when I completely ignore him. No! Pikachu! I always wanted to do that, and I got it on camera! Pikachu! Pikachu!